a professional dough. As you can see, you can make pastries, cakes, many things, and it's a very new recipe. We'll make it ourselves without any place. We'll do it together. Let's start. First thing, a quarter cup of water, about 200 grams or 210 grams, a tablespoon of Tromoline, about 10 grams, and the method for making Tromoline is on the channel. If you haven't seen it, write Tromoline, 3.5 cups of flour, about 500 grams, 60 grams of butter, about 4 tablespoons, and 15 grams of salt, about a tablespoon of salt. I mix them with a spoon to gather the ingredients, then put it on the counter. Knead for at least 9 minutes. The dough is tough, it must be kneaded. At your leisure, then I put it in a bag, and it must be rectangular or square. Then we get the butter. The whole dough is about 800 grams. I give it 400 grams of butter, as you can see. Like this, it must be in a square shape. I get a large piece of parchment paper. As you can see, fold it into a rectangle, spread the butter and press with a roller until it's even. Put the dough in the freezer for half an hour and the butter in the fridge. The dough goes in the freezer and the butter in the fridge. Take it out of the freezer as you can. See, it's important. Very important. This is what creates the layers of the dough. I make it rectangular, double the butter dough or double the butter block we made, and it must be closed, as you can see, leaving a 1 centimeter gap in front and back to close them. I'm doing is dough. I must put a lot of flour underneath and on top so the dough can move and spread. If you see a small opening, it's because I didn't close it well. So I keep it inside so the dough or butter stays inside the dough. This is the folding. I took a third to the right, 2/3 to the left, spread well and made sure the butter spread throughout the dough, then fold it. Again, this is the folding is called double. For the dough, I give it 6 folds double. Some people give 5. You try this and try that. See what's best for you. Spread the butter, as you can see, and mark 2 so I don't forget, and put it in the freezer for half an hour or 45 minutes. Take it out and spread the second fold. As you can see, I try to make the length more than 80 centimeters and the width 25 to give me this size. As you can see, I brought a dry cloth. There must be no flour between the layers so they don't separate. Lengthened it to 80 or 90 centimeter and the width 25, as you can see. Folded it double, took a third and 2/3, closed them and folded them again. This is called folding double. If you saw the croissant video, I made 4, marked it and put it in the freezer. I put it in the freezer and I can put it in the fridge, but the fridge takes a long time. These are the 4 folds we made. It's very important to do this so you don't forget, because sometimes when making croissant dough, it's 3 folds, so I don't make a mistake. Keep spreading right and left, as you can see. Make it a meter. The flour, as you can see, it's very important to separate the flour, fold it. The butter, then the 3rd fold, 6 folds, and that's it. Ready? Because it's in the fridge. Then I take a quarter of the folder or keep spreading it. Of course, I wanted 2 millimeters. Spread it across 2 trays, as you can see, or 3 trays or 4 trays, as you like. The most important thing, after cutting it, poke it, as you can see, poke a lot, and put it in the freezer for half an hour before baking. Then bake it, as you can see, in a preheated oven, 190 degrees Celsius, takes 12 minutes. Pray for my parents' mercy. Please watch the croissant video. Please watch the flan video. Please leave us a comment and help us improve.